Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Now I am going to discuss exercise 7.4 third sum children. Children, here they are given the statement the product of a number and 5 gives. So product means I am going to use what symbol here? Multiplication symbol. Is it clear? Product means when the multiplicand and multiplier, when I multiples, I can get the product. So here I am using what symbol? Into. And 5. A product of a number and 5 gives 40. Gives in the sense which is what? Equal. Gives means equal. When I multiply a number with 5, I can get what? 40. I can get a 40. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Listen. I have to assume that let the number be what? X. Let the number be X. That unknown number I am going to find out here. Let the number be X. And what is given in the question, I am going to frame the equation here. The product of a number and 5. So a product of a number and 5 is what? Here 5x. Clear? Here 5x is mean by what? 5 into x. That is a product. 5 into x is what? Product. Can you clear? Gives. So for that equal. What is that? Gives 40. So equal to 40. This is the statement. According to this, I have framed the equation. Is it clear? So a product of a number, so 5 and number 5, so for that 5x gives. So for that equal, and what is there? 40. I am going to find out that number. See, if I find the x value, I can find out the number. Is it clear, children? Now listen. 5x is equal to 40. I am going to find out the variable x here. Okay. Now listen. X is equal to, see here, 5 is in the multiple. When I am moving to this side, what is that? From left to right, when I move, it becomes what? Inverse operation, which is what? Division. So x is equal to 40. 5 become divided by 5. Is it clear? Divided by 5. Now by the factor I can cancel this. Listen. 5 ones are 5. 5 eights are 40. Is it clear? Factor. Okay. Now x is equal to 8. So I can find out the number. I can find out the number to be what? Answer. The number is 8. Okay. Can you check this? For example, we can check in the rough column. Listen. 5x is equal to 40. So 5 into 8 is equal to 40. So 40 is equal to 40. What we have find out? It is correct. When we are checking left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Once if LHS and RHS are equal, then only the equation is balanced. Is it clear? Is it clear? Shall I move on to the next sum, children? Listen. The sum means what? Plus. Okay. The sum. See, these are some keywords for addition. Sum, together, more. So these are the keywords for addition symbol. Okay. The sum of twice. Twice means what? 2. Can you clear this? Sum of twice a number. I don't know that this is an unknown number. I am going to find out the value for this. A number. And 11. Got it? A sum of twice is a a number and level. So here I am going to put the plus symbol. Okay. Is means what? Is gives equal. You are having the same meaning, is it or not? So equal to what? 65. Can you clear this? The sum of twice a number, I can take that twice a number to be what? 2x. Sum is there, so plus. And what is and after what number it is? 11 is there. So 2x plus 11. Is there. So for that equal and 65. So equal to 65 I am going to frame the equation. According to the statement I am going to frame here equation. Is it clear, children? Listen. Twice a number, so for that 2x, before that I will assume that let the number be x. Let the number be x. First we will assume let the number be what? X. Now you can frame the equation sum of it twice. So 2x plus 11 is equal to 65. Can you clear this? Can you clear this? For the statement I have framed the equation. Now listen. 2x, you send that constant to that right side, left hand side it is plus 11. When it moves to the right hand side, what it become? Minus 11. So 2x is equal to 65 plus 11. When it moves to this side, it becomes what? Minus 11. Is it clear? Now I can subtract this too. What is that? 65 minus 11. What is the answer? 54. So 2x is equal to 54. Now listen, variable 2x is there. So here I am going to find out the value for the x. So listen, x is equal to 54 by 2. Is it clear? So multiplication, it is an LHS multiplication. When it moves to the RHS, what it becomes? Divide by 2. Now I can cancel this. Listen, 2 ones are 2 27s are 54. Is it clear? Now x is equal to 27. Got it? X is equal to what? 27. Now I can write the answer to be, the number is 27. Is it clear? Is it clear, children? Suppose if you are having any doubt whether what we find out it is correct or not, you can check. You can substitute this 27 in the equation. Whether the equations are balanced, your answer is correct. Whether it is an unbalanced, you are made a mistake in that. Is it clear, children? Clear? Shall I move on to the next sum? Now listen, the sum of 5 and a number. Listen, sum of 5 and a number divided by 4. Sum of a number and a 5 which is divided by 4 is 9. Is it clear? Is means what? Equal. 9. Find the number. Okay. Listen. See here. I am going to write the solution for this. Sum. So what symbol has to come here? Plus. Okay. Sum of 5 and a number. Before that, let me assume that a number be x. Let the number be x. I am assuming that to find out the number, it should be what? X. We can assume the alphabets from A to Z. Whatever alphabet you want, you can assume that. Here I am assuming x. Is it clear? Now sum of 5 and a number. So I can write that 5 plus x. Is it clear? Because the sum of 5 and a number statement, how I have to frame the equation? 5 plus x as well divided by 4. So divide means which symbol I have to use in the arithmetic operation. Which symbol I am going to use here? Division symbol. So divided by 4. Got it? Divided by 4 is 9. So is 9 is what? Is equal to 9. Got it? According to the statement, I frame the equation. Now I am going to find out the x value. Can you clear this? See, listen. In the left hand side, 5 plus x divided by 4 is equal to 9. First step, just you can cross multiple this because 4 is in the division, that is left hand side. When it moves to the right hand side, what it become? Multiplication symbol. Okay. Listen, 5 plus x is equal to 4 into 9. Okay. Now 5 plus x is equal to 4 nines are. What is 4 nines are? 36. Now this plus 5, when it's moved to the RHS, what it becomes? Minus 5. Because I am going to find out the value for x. So whatever there in the x, I have to send it to the other side. So for that. So 36 minus 5. Got it? Now 36 minus 5, what is the answer? 31. So here I find out the x value to be what? 31. Now I can write the answer. Listen. What is the answer? The number is 31. Is it clear, children? So sum of 5 and a number. So I have written 5 plus x divided by 4. So divided by 4. Is 9. Is means what? Is gives equal or all same meaning, which is what? Equal. So for this equal. And 9. So I have written the 9. Don't change the number. Just what is given in the number, when you are writing, write clearly. Can you clear this? Shall I move on to the next sum? Listen. Sarah is 5 years older than Sania. Sarah is 5 years older than Sania, and one more, what is they are given? If 4 more than 4 times Sania's age, if 4 more than 4 times Sania's age is 3 less than 3 times Sarah's age. They are, one more statement they are given that Sania's age is what? 4 more than 4 times. Okay. And another one more statement they are given for Sarah's is 3 less than 3 times Sarah's age. What are their ages? See, I am going to find out Sarah's age and Sania's age. Is it clear? They are given two statements. Listen. Older, and this is what? Less than. So less than means what symbol I am going to find out here? Minus. Is it clear? See, from the equation From the statement I am going to find, I am going to frame the equation. Okay. Now listen. I am going to assume that let Sania's age be X. Okay. Because Sarah is 5 years older than Sania. Okay. So Sania's age I don't know. So for that I have written Sania age to be what? X. Next, and Sarah's age be 5 years older. So plus it should be. So X plus 5. Is it clear? Now they are given one more statement also given. What they are given? 4 more than 4 times. 4 more than 4 times. 4 more than 4 times is who is that? Sania's. And one more statement they are given, 3 less than 3 times. Who is this? Sarah's. Just what is given in the question I am writing here, and I am going to find out what are their ages. See, both the Sarah's and the Sania's age I am going to find out. 4 more than 4 times is what? Listen. 4 more than 4 times is what? 4x plus 4, which is equal to 3 less than 3 times. So here 3, here I am assuming that Sarah's be what? X plus 5. So I have written in that x plus 5. Less than is there. So for that minus and 3. Can you clear this? See, from this 2 statements I am going to frame the equation because I am going to find out for both the ages. Is it clear? See, both the ages are question mark. So for that, okay, 4 more than 4 times means 4x plus 4. Okay. Next, 3 less than 3 times. So what is that? 3x minus 3. But what I have here, Sania's x, but Sarah's what I have taken the age, which is what? X plus 5. Why? Because of 5 years older than Sania. So for that x plus 5. Can you clear this? Now listen. Now you can solve this equation. 4x plus 4 is equal to, just you multiply first, 3 into x plus 3 into 5. Got it? 3 into x, which is 3x, plus 3 5s are 15 minus 3. Got it? Now what you have to do? Arrange in the left hand side the variables and the constant in the right hand side. Is it clear? Now listen. 4x, send this minus 3x to left hand side. So minus 3x, because plus 3x when it moves to this side, what become? Minus 3x. Now afterwards send this constant to the right hand side. So plus 4 become what? Minus 4. Listen. 15 minus 3 minus 4. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now listen, I can simplify this. 4x minus 3x is what? 1x. So 1x is equal to what? X. So x is equal to, now listen, 15 minus 3. What is my answer? 12. Again 12 minus 4. What is the answer? 8. Is it clear? 15 Minus 3 is what? 12. Again 12 I am going to subtract with what? 4. So 12 minus 4 is what? 8. So x is equal to 8. This x is equal to 8 is a age for Sania's. Okay. Now the Sania's age. Now I am going to write the answer. Okay. Sania's age is equal to 8. But see the Sarah's age, what is given in the statement, which is what? 5 years older. So I have taken to be what? X plus 5. So here I am going to add a 5. Once if I add 5 with this 8, I can get the Sarah's age. Got it? Now Sarah's age is equal to 8 plus 5, which is what? 13 years, and this is what? 8 years. Can you understand this? Can you understand? Shall I repeat one more time? Listen, Sania's age, which is given in the question, is what? We have to assume that it to be what? X. But one more thing, they have said that Sarah's age to be what? X plus 5. So again they are given the statement 4 more than 4 times, which is Sania's. Next 3 less than 3 times is Sarah's, which is given in the question. Here I am going to frame the equation from this 2. 4 more than 4 times means what symbol has to come here? Plus symbol. Less than means minus symbol. So I frame this, but Sarah's what I have taken here? X plus 5. So for that I am substituting here x plus 5. Okay. Now multiple this 3 with this 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 5, which is what? 15. After simplifying this, I can get the value to be what? X, 8. So now I can write the answer. If Sania's age to be 8 years, then Sarah to be what? Plus 5. So 8 plus 5 is what? 13 years. Can you clear this, children? Thank you, children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.